Well, last month we got to know the Arlington Employment Center down at the Department of Human Services building at 3033 Wilson Boulevard. And we haven't moved very far away this month as we take a tour of some of the family health services offered by the Arlington Public Health Department.
One thing Arlington takes really seriously is healthy families, and one of the best ways to be a healthy family is to start right from the very beginning. Come on this way, I'll show you what I mean. So Julie, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. And you are a nursing supervisor here at the Family Health Services.
That's right.
Then, is that
exactly,
correct?
exactly.
Tell me about the great place you work.
Well, Family Health Services is one of the bureaus in the Public Health Division. And we're focused, a lot of our programs are focused on the young families. So we have maternity clinics, family planning clinics, child health, home visits for mothers and children, immunization, we have developmental clinics, and lots of other services that are all within on this floor. We also have the Women's and Infant Nutrition Program, WIC, here on the same floor. So lots of things going on here. One thing that we really emphasize is the importance of early prenatal care. So we tell women as soon as you know you're pregnant, you make sure you make a call to get in to see us.
Well, that's a really important thing. And then once they do, they come here.
They come
and
here.
What happens?
And we do an assessment, and we do a lot of education about having a healthy pregnancy, check symptoms. It's like a prenatal care anywhere. Basically, we have doctors and nurses. We provide a lot of education for women about how to take care of yourself during your pregnancy, what your symptoms mean, what you should be eating, and what drugs and alcohol you should be avoiding.
Who can come here actually, Julie? And is there a cost?
Women who are uninsured and live in Arlington County. All the services are provided on a sliding scale. If women have low-risk pregnancies, they will stay in this clinic until the last trimester, until the last month of pregnancy. If they're high-risk pregnancy, then we will refer them to Virginia Hospital Center Arlington for prenatal care in their maternity clinic. One of the most important programs we have is our WIC program.
What's that, Julie?
WIC stands for Women's, Infants, and Children. And it's a federal program that provides nutritional supplementation for pregnant women, children up to the age of 6, and breastfeeding women.
Do you also have a dental program, Julie?
Yes, we sure do. We have dental programs for children who don't have any other access to dental care.
So Julie, you take care of women before they're pregnant, when they're thinking about becoming pregnant, you take care of them once they have their children in terms of making sure that they're eating nutritiously. What else do you guys do?
Well, we have well child clinics where we do a pediatric assessment of young children and do a lot of teaching for parents about how to make sure their child is happy and healthy at the same time. We also have an immunization clinics. Probably one of the most important things a parent can do is to make sure their children are routinely immunized against childhood diseases. So we have clinics in which most of the vaccines are free, and the clinics are open to anyone. Basically, what we do is kind of play with a child and observe whether we do some developmental screening, work with some toys to kind of observe whether they're developing at a normal pace. We like to think we provide a spectrum of care for families from pre-planning your pregnancy, through giving good prenatal care, through taking care of your baby during the first 6 years of life.
Wow, Julie, I really learned so much about family health services here in Arlington County. You guys do so much. You're really helping families from when they're thinking about having children, the first 6 years of being a family. That's just great.
Good afternoon. I'm Barbara Favola, the 2009 Chairman of the Arlington County Board. This month, we are kicking off a Partnerships for a Healthier Arlington. I'm very excited about this initiative. Last year, our public health staff evaluated Arlington County's public health infrastructure. We looked at the profiles of our Arlingtonians, and we came up with strategies for improving everybody's lives. I hope that you join us in our prevention messages, in our requests for you to live a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for listening.